Hello, this is Lynda Cromar, and I know that you've been hearing the buzz about what we call the VIP Lounge. The full name is actually the Freedom Uprising VIP Lounge. Now, what are we doing in there? For one thing, we're teaching real marketing, not just copy me and never learn how to be your own brand. You hear that, I'm sure, all over the place too, about how to be your own brand. And then when you actually do get into some of these things, they don't teach that at all. They want you to just keep buying. And we don't do that to you. What we're doing to you is we're doing for you, actually, is we're helping you see how you can become your own independent marketer. And yes, you're going to buy a few products. That's acceptable, I think, most people. Now, if you ever go to a university, I've done that twice. I've had 2 degrees, and I did expect and understand that I had to buy something, and in this case, buy the classes that were required in order to graduate. Well, think of Freedom Uprising VIP Lounge as your university, and you will buy some classes. And it's okay. It's kind of like your local, what do they call it? The little local school where you just pay for what you actually are going to want to learn. You don't have to pay for a lot of empty classes. Like, I don't know about you, but when I went and had to do I had 2 associate's degrees, and I have the equivalent of a bachelor's, right? But I can't actually advertise that I do, because the majority of what I learned in that class was empty. It was empty stuff. So one thing I want to share with you is that here in this group, it's not just one person either. I share a lot of things. If I scroll down here, I'm going to see a lot of other people. We celebrate new people that are part of this, but we don't give you an empty, here, just buy this and then you're stuck. No, here's your classes. Here's your classes right here. We teach step by step how to be a good marketer. This is really huge stuff that, frankly, I have paid thousands for and not gotten even half of what is actually right here. It's serious stuff, and it's worth the effort of actually being part of, instead of being thrown out there like the wolves, throwing out to the wolves like they do for most people. If you go into any one of these groups, like I'm part of, I'll just click on the top one here. If you go to this group, this is my group, and you look down the feed, you're going to see people that are not really getting it. Now, this is one of my students, and she is getting it. Neela is doing good. But if you see, most of them, they give you a big pitch, and they don't teach you anything, and you don't know what you're getting, so a lot of people shy away. We don't do that. You get it all. It's right inside our VIP. Freedom Uprising VIP Lounge is available to anyone that seriously wants to get done with, like today, I posted something here about how a lot of us end up just piggybacking off of other people. And I was sharing that because of the fact that most people do not get that they have to get off someone else's back before they actually learn something. When you went to your job, you didn't keep on going to the boss and asking questions. No, you learned what you had to learn so that you could do your job with efficiency. And we're doing the same thing in the VIP Lounge. We're teaching you how to stop piggybacking, and we're teaching you how to get serious about being your own personal marketer and learning the proper skills so that you can actually be serious about being in business. And isn't that what you truly want? You want to be your own business person once and for all. You want to stop piggybacking, and you want to start being a serious marketer that seriously makes the kind of money that you want to make. And you will not do that without the proper skills. Just as surely as when you are in a job. Now, I had an experience many years ago when I was hired to do a certain job, and then it came down to I didn't actually have all of the skills that they wanted me to have. And it was partly my fault and partly theirs for not completely being clear. But what came out of that was that I was fired. Now, what I learned from that after being humiliated and upset and angry is that absolutely, without a doubt, most important thing is to stop piggybacking and to start learning those skills. Now, is it hard? No. Is it going to take some time? Yes. Is it simple? We keep it as simple as it is reasonably possible to do. We take all the complication out of it, but on the other hand, there is a learning curve, a small one, and you have to be willing to do that. And that's what we offer in our VIP lounge, is that you can once and for all have those skills. And once you learn those skills, once you master those skills, you never go back to that place of being confused and upset and worried and piggybacking because you don't know any better. You will start to understand what it takes, and you will take the action necessary because you have learned those skills. So now it's totally up to you. Are you ready to be a real serious marketer that knows their stuff on the internet? Then if you are ready, connect with me today. Let's get you started. And it's a ridiculous $25 to get started. And I'm ready to help you right now.